Have you ever thought about getting a beautiful smile? That smile that when you walk into the room, people notice and tell you and compliment you on how beautiful your smile is? Well, let me tell you, stay tuned because today we're gonna be talking about all the things that you can do in order to get that smile of your dreams. Alright, so let's get started with the first thing, the most basic one, and that's teeth whitening. You've heard about it out there. People say, oh, I'm gonna whiten my teeth. Well, let me tell you, that's a very good first step. Let's say your teeth are perfectly fine and you just don't like the color because it's too yellow and you wanna whiten them. Well, there are different methods for whitening. A lot of people use the over-the-counter strips from Crest, or they can have something else from the pharmacy. In our office, in any dental office, there are other more professional ways of going about this. So in my particular office, we offer 3 different methods for patients. So when the patients want to whiten their teeth, but they don't want to really have to deal with a lot of sensitivity associated with the whitening, what we do is we make custom trays, meaning like little transparent things that you put on top of your teeth, and we can place the gel inside those trays and you can put them on. You leave them on for about 30-40 minutes, and then you will do that different consecutive days until you achieve the shade that you're looking for. The benefits of this is that you have control of how white do you want your teeth to get. Now, if you say, you know what, I don't have time for that, I just want to do it once and get it done, I don't care about sensitivity, then we have another method. It's called Zoom. With that one, you have an in-office whitening where you're gonna spend about 1.5 hours in our office, and we're gonna make sure that your teeth get super white and beautiful the same day. Yes, you're gonna be shocked. You're gonna love it. Not only that, but we're gonna give you some trays for you to take home, and you're gonna touch up with that. It lasts about 1.5 to 2 years. That's impressive. I know, people love that. So if you're okay with having a little bit of sensitivity, that's the best way to go about whitening. And by the way, guys, don't get too afraid with the sensitivity thing. I just mention it because I have patients that by nature, they say their teeth are sensitive. So immediately I recommend another alternative, not the Zoom one. But this sensitivity that patients experience with the Zoom is manageable. We give them gels to make them feel better, and it'll go away within a couple days. It's nothing that will kill you because it's painful. It's not that bad. You know, most people deal with it just fine. Also, another important thing to know is that yes, with the Zoom, you can get super white teeth, but also we do it in sections. So every time we finish a section, we show you, and if that's the color you like, we stop right there. If you want to whiten whiter, then we move on and we do it again and again. So we can do up to 3 sessions to get them as white as possible. Every person reacts differently, so I've seen patients go 2-3 shades down, meaning they get like 2 or 3 shades lighter, and I've seen patients get even more shades lighter, meaning depending on how your teeth react to the products that we use, then you're gonna get a specific type of white. But the good things is that we can try and try and try until we achieve the results that you like. Alright guys, I hope that with this video you understood a little bit better about whitening. Remember that in order to qualify for whitening, you should be a healthy patient. No cavities, no periodontal disease, any active disease, because if just whitening your teeth on top of any disease, it's just gonna make it worse for you. So we wanna make sure that you're healthy, and then we can do the whitening. In the description box below, you can find more information about our practice. So if you have any other questions, any clarification with the whitening, what it is, what methods do we have, you can just give us a call and we will be more than happy to help you out. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you on the next one.